Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDS.com. Today we're going to be installing some really cool accent lighting to the side vents here on a 2021 and up Ford F150 series truck. The installation is extremely easy, plus they come in a variety of colors and it's going to give a really great look to the truck at night. We're going to show you how it's installed right now. Before we jump into it, please take a quick second to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps other Ford owners just like you find our content. Thanks, we really appreciate your support. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is simply run our wire leads here through the openings in this mesh of the vent. So we're going to use the one that's at the very top and closest to our headlights. So lean in front of the camera, kind of lean in there, get a look, and you better just poke those wire leads right through that mesh opening. Just run about a foot or so, and then I'm going to use some pliers here on the back side. Just reach around, grab that wire. You just grab it, and then we're just going to pull the entire lead up into the engine bay. Like so. Now we can go ahead and move toward lighting, or mounting our light, I should say. Now there's a couple different ways to mount it. I'm going to mount it on the back side of this plastic piece here, because that gives the most subtle lighting. If you're going for the most, like the brightest light, you can actually mount the light here on the inside with the LEDs facing out. Okay, but again, today I'm going to mount it here, right here on the back side. So we're going to be using the auto grade adhesive here on the back, as well as some silicone. And before we do that, we've also got some surface promotion cleaning wipes. So you're going to want to make sure that the back side or the side, wherever you're mounting your light, is as clean as possible. The kit includes some nitrile gloves here. I'm going to put that on. This makes it a little easier whenever we're using some silicone. Okay, so after you clean it really good, if it's showed a lot of dirt, you may want to give it an extra cleaning. Wait a few minutes and then run another cleaning over it. But this is pretty clean. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and peel back this auto grade 3M here on the back of our strip. Just like so. Really, this stuff sticks so well that it is adequate for the job, but the silicone is just an added protectant layer to make sure that no bad weather or conditions are going to adversely affect your installation. Okay, so once you've got your light firmly against this wall here, the vent, we're just going to hold pressure. You want to make sure your light is as tall as you can get it, because you want your light pattern to be the full vent. You don't want it to be just here at the bottom. Okay. Now we're going to just take some of the silicone, and I'm just going to dab it here on my fingers, and I'm going to run along the sides of the strip just to make sure that nothing can get in behind that seal. You can do it all over the top too as well if you like. Okay, doesn't take a lot. Okay, so now that our light is installed, we can move to hooking up our light lead for power. Now that we've got our light mounted into the vent and our wire run here into the engine bay, you've got a couple different options for power. If your F-150 is equipped with upfitter switches, you can connect it directly to those, or you can run a harness with a switch inside the cab. What we're going to be doing today is installing directly to this side marker light. That way, whenever your side marker lights are on, your vent lights will automatically power on. In order to do that, we're just going to run our wire here right above this wheel well liner. And then we're going to peel that liner back, and that's going to expose our wire here, as well as our side marker light that we can connect to for power. To peel this wheel well liner back, we're going to remove these 3 screws, like at here, here, and here, using a size 7mm socket. With our bolts removed, we'll be able to peel this wheel well liner back over the tire and out of our way. With our wheel well liner here pulled back, we'll be able to reach up and grab our side marker light, and with a counterclockwise turn, it will unlock from the housing and we'll be able to pull it down. So these are the two wires that we're going to connect to for power. So we're going to take our side vent light wire that's run down from the engine bay, and we're going to make our connections right here using our easy quick splice connectors. So all you need to do is run your ground wire here through one side, and then the other side is going to slip over the wire just like so. Oops. And then we're going to use some pliers to connect this metal tab down over the wire. I'm trying to do it in a way where the camera can see it. You just push that metal tab all the way, and now we've got a connection. We'll do the same thing for our power wire here on the blue. Push it on the inside, and the outer channel on the blue wire here, just like so. Take our pliers, make sure it's gone down all the way. We'll fold our tab back over, and we'll be done. Now we can reinstall our light, our wheel well lining, and we'll be set. So that's all there is to getting our LED accent lighting installed here on your 2021 and up Ford F-150 side vents. It's a great look. We highly recommend it. You can check it out, as well as all of our custom-built LED lighting products for your Ford F-150 at F150LEDS.com. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you at F150LEDS.com soon. Thanks, guys.